Now discuss about the problem on trapezoidal rule. That is, problem is find the approximation integration of integral minus 0.520 x into ln of x plus 1 dx using trapezoidal rule and calculate actual error. So first write the trapezoidal rule formula, that is integral x naught to x1 f of x dx equal to h by 2 into f of x naught plus f of x1. Take that is equation 1. Next, here given x naught equal to lower limit, that is 0.5, and upper limit is x1, that is equal to 0. Next, to calculate h equal to formula b minus a by n. Here b equal to upper limit, that is 0, a equal to lower limit, that is minus 0.5, 0 minus 0.5 by 1 equal to 0.5. Next, given function f of x is equal to h into ln of x plus 1. Next, substitute the upper limit and lower limit in the given function, that is f of x naught equal to minus 0.5 into ln of minus 0.5 plus 1. That value is equal to 0.34657. Check in your calci. Next, to calculate f of x1, that is equal to x1 is 0. 0 into ln of 0 plus 1. 0 into some values, that is equal to 0. Next, substitute these values in equation 1. Then minus 0 integral of minus 0.520 x ln of x plus 1 dx equal to h by 2, h equal to 0.5 by 2 into f of x naught value 0.34657 plus f of x1 value 0. So that value is equal to 0.08664. Okay, here it is approximate value of the given function. Next, and also find the bounded error. Bounded error formula is h cube by 12 into f double dash of psi. Here given function f of x equal to x into ln of x plus 1. So differentiating f of x with respect to x, then we get the derivative of the function, first derivative of the function f, that is f dash of x. Here x is one function, ln of x plus 1 is another function. So differentiating uv form. So the differentiation of uv is uv whole dash equal to uv dash plus vu dash. So here u equal to x, v equal to ln of x plus 1. So u into x into v dash, derivative of log ln of x plus 1. Derivative of log is 1 by x. Similarly, derivative of ln of x plus 1 is 1 by x plus 1 plus v into ln of x plus 1 into u dash, derivative of x 1. Next, again differentiating f dash of x with respect to x, then we get the second derivative of the function, that is f double dash of x, that is equal to, here x is one function, 1 by x plus 1 is another function. So again differentiating uv form, uv dash plus vu dash, x into derivative of 1 by x plus 1. Derivative of 1 by x plus 1 is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus v into 1 by x plus 1 into derivative of x equal to 1 plus ln of x plus 1 derivative 1 by x plus 1. Next, f double dash of x equal to minus x by 1 plus x whole square plus 1 by x plus 1, 1 by x plus 1, that is 2 by x plus 1. F double dash of xi equal to minus xi by 1 plus xi whole square plus 2 by xi plus 1. Next, error equal to h cube, h equal to 0.5 by 3, 0.5 whole cube by 12 into minus xi by 1 plus xi whole square plus 2 by xi plus 1. Here to calculate the xi value, that is average of the given interval. Here a equal to minus 0.5, b equal to 0. Minus 0.5 plus 0 by 2, that is minus 0.25. Substitute in the error formula. Then 0.5 whole cube by 12 into minus 0.25 by 1 minus 0.25 whole square plus 2 by minus 0.25 plus 1. That answer is 0.01359953. Check in your calci. Next, actual error. Actual error equal to formula is modulus of exact value minus approximate value. Already here we know the approximate value. Next, to calculate the exact value. Exact value means directly integrating the given function. So that is minus 0.520 x into ln of x plus 1 dx. So here integrating uv form, x is one function, ln of x plus 1 is another function. So integrating in uv method. So what is the integration of uv? U integration v minus integration of u dash integration of v. So here u equal to taken ln of x plus 1, v equal to x. So u into ln of x plus 1 into integration of v integration of x dx minus integration of d by dx of u, that is ln of x plus 1 integration of v dx, that is x dx. Next, ln of x plus 1 into x integration is x square by 2 minus integration of derivative of ln of x plus 1 is 1 by x plus 1 into integration of x square by 2 into dx. Then x square ln of x plus 1 by 2 minus integration of x square by 2 into x plus 1 dx. Next, x square of ln of x plus 1 by 2 minus integration, here I am add and subtract with 1. Then we get x square minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 dx. Next, write the limits. What are the limits? Minus 0.5 to 0. Next, x square into ln of x plus 1 by 2 minus, here write separately, x square minus 1 by 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 into dx. Next, write the limits minus 0.5 to 0. Next, x square into ln of x plus 1 by 2 minus, here 1 by 2 is common, taken out 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 into integration of, here x square minus, it is in the form of 1 square, a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, x square minus 1 square equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1 by x plus 1. Here x plus 1 is cancelled. Then we get x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 dx. Next, x square ln of x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 integration is x minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 1 by x plus 1 integration is ln of x plus 1. Next, substituting the limits in this function, then we get the answer 0.05255. Check in your calci. That is exact value. Exact value is equal to 0.05255. Next, actual error equal to exact value. Exact value is 0.05255 minus approximate value. What is the approximate value? Already completed this, 0.08664. So that answer is modulus of minus 0.03409. Modulus is, then that is 0.03409.